Hi everyone, today I share with you how to make this tasty grilled fish. So if you want to know how I make this, please do not go away. Stick around and watch this video till the end because you are going to be learning a special way to make this tasty fish. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. First, I'm going to be making the pepper sauce, and to make the pepper sauce I'll be using onion, paprika peppers. We'll also be using Scotch bonnet peppers. So now I'm going to blend the peppers and the onion. I'm going to blend it roughly using my food processor, and it has to look like this. That is how your pepper should be. So after that, I'm going to heat up some oil in a pan. When the oil is heated up, I'm going to now add in the roughly blended peppers, and I'm going to be allowing that to fry for about 5 minutes. At this point, I'm adding some seasoning and spices. I'm going to list out all the ingredients in the description box below, so please do check it out. After adding the seasoning and the spices, I'm going to give that a thorough mix for everything to combine very well, and I'm going to allow it to fry for another 2 minutes. So now it's time to prepare our fish for the grilling. This is the fish I'm going to be using. This is croaker fish. I'm going to give it slight cut on both sides like so. After that, I'm going to apply some salt and massage it thoroughly all over the fish. Next, I'm going to add in the pepper sauce. I will use my hands to rub it all over the body of the fish, massaging it into all those cuts, those slight cuts I made on the body, to make sure that the sauce penetrates everywhere. Guys, you have to take your time to do this. The sauce is very important at this point. It is the sauce that will make your fish turn out to be very tasty. So make sure you massage it very well into the fish so that it will marinate into the fish very well and turn out to be very tasty for you, okay? After that, I'm going to place some sliced lemon on top of the fish. The sliced lemon helps to reduce the fat. Then I will cover it up with the foil paper and take it to the oven to broil for 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will take it out of the oven, open it up and add more pepper sauce, and then take it back to the oven for the final grilling. And finally, guys, this is what we have. Our delicious grilled fish is ready. Guys, you can see how delicious it is already looking. You can pair this with fried plantain or potato chips. This is so yummy, so moist, so delicious. Are you going to be trying this? Let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this. And please guys, if you have watched up to this point, I am so grateful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you and hope to see you again. Bye bye.